In this video, I am going to hot smoke 2 trout in an improvised hot smoker. Now this is one that goes onto a camping stove. It's very easy to do. It takes a couple of roasting trays and away you go. Once I've hot smoked that trout, I'm going to show you how to turn it into the most amazing hot smoked trout pate. Well, I almost forgot. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing canape using the hot smoked trout pate. So don't miss that bit. Place about 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of wood chip into the centre of the base. Next, the drip tray and the food rack goes in. On top of that, we place the trout. Then the lid goes on, and the lid is held on with 4 bulldog clips, 1 on each corner. This will now sit onto the camping stove for 20 minutes. Let me take you through the ingredients here. We've got some creme fraiche, some horseradish sauce. This is uncreamed horseradish sauce, if you're wondering. We've got some mace, we've got some cayenne pepper, and that's just a little teaspoon of mace and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We've got some crackers, which we're going to serve the pate on when it's done. We've got some dill to dress it, and we've also got some lemon. Now, as soon as the trout's finished, I'm going to get that deboned, chilled down, and I've got a little special ingredients which I'm going to surprise you with at the end that's going to go on and top this whole thing. The 20 minutes is now up. You can see how the smoke has significantly changed the colour of the trout. It's also stained the inside of the lid. It's still too hot to handle, so we'll now get this inside and allow it to cool down for a short period of time. Once the trout has cooled a little, we can start to take the meat off the bone. And we do this by removing the skin. I like to use a fork because it seems to me to be the easiest way, but you can try any method that suits you. Make sure though that you're working when the fish is slightly warm. If it's allowed to cool down, it becomes very difficult to take the skin off the flesh. Don't forget, as you continue to take the flesh from the bone, make sure that you get rid of all the bones as best you can. Now, if you need to remove any of the bones that are in the mixture in the bowl, you can do this by passing it through a sieve.
trout pate topped with these little black seaweed pearls. They look like caviar, topped with a little frond of dill. How delicious, let's try it. Wow. Oh, that smoke is so subtle. That really is delicious. Absolutely gorgeous. Wait while I go and eat all the others.